Hello students, welcome to your podcast. I am Jitendra Tyagi and now I am going to have an interaction with our student Ritik. Ritik
Yes, sir.
has recently appeared for an interview. Okay, so let us start our discussion. Hello Ritik, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I am good.
Thank you, sir.
So Ritik, first of all, you tell me about your BTech.
Sir, I am currently in my final year,
Mhm.
and till now I have a CGPA of 9.37,
Okay,
and I have given GATE this year, 2021, and in electrical engineering, and have secured a score of 547 with
okay,
a rank of somewhat 3,400.
okay.
Yes.
So today, for which interview you appeared?
So today, my interview was in IIT Mandi, signal processing.
So you are from electrical.
Yes, sir.
Your interview was in signal processing, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell us how was the interview? What kind of questions they asked? How it started and how many interview members were there in the interview panel?
Sir, three interview members were there.
Hmm.
They were interviewing me, and they almost interviewed me like 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Sir, and they first of all they asked about me, which area do I want to work, like in communication or signal processing. Sir, so I chose signal processing as I am from electrical background.
Okay.
And so they started questions like why do you want to do MS and why from IIT Mandi,
Okay.
sir. So I gave them the answer, and they directly they started questions about my interest, that is on signal processing. And so technical questions they jumped in, and the first question was on Fourier transform. So what is Fourier transform and what is the formula of Fourier transform? And so after that they asked me what is the meaning of negative frequency.
Hmm.
So how can you differ it, make it different from positive frequency, and what is the physical meaning of that? And so then they asked me about Fourier transform of a rectangle. So they gave me a function. So they said me what is the frequency analog of this in the frequency domain, the rectangle. And they asked me about varying the size of the rectangle, what would be happen if I squeeze or expand that rectangle throughout, what is the y-axis, what is the x-axis in respective time and frequency and all those domains.
Okay.
Sir, then after they asked me about convolution, what is what is the meaning of convolution, and I should write the formula, and what does this physically interpret, how do we physically interpret convolution, like the function moving over the other. And then they asked me about correlation, that what is correlation, how is it different from convolution, write its formula, what types of correlations are there, and everything, sir. So they made me write the formulas of convolution and correlation, and they asked me to differ in between them. After that they jumped to probability in mathematics section.
Okay.
They didn't ask me much on probability, but they asked me about random process. Sir, as I am from electrical, I said that I don't know random process, I know random variable. So they asked questions on what is random variable and all, and they asked me the difference between event and outcome. How do you differ between these two things?
Okay.
Sir, only two questions were there from probability,
Hmm.
and then they went to linear algebra. And from linear algebra they asked about many questions were there, like what can you conclude if the determinant of a matrix is zero? So what can you say about their eigenvalues? Then what does this physically mean that determinant is zero? How does it affect the linear mapping, linear transformation, everything, these all were there. And finally they also asked me a question on Fourier transforms, that why the time period is taken like from infinity to plus infinity and not a specific time period is taken, how is it related to Fourier series? And so these were basically questions that were asked about.
Okay. So was there any question from operational amplifier,
No, sir. No questions from OPAMs.
from network?
No, sir.
Okay. And CMOS or BJT?
No, sir. These questions were mostly, I heard they're asking in VLSI, the
Okay.
CMOS, BJT, and everything.
But in signal processing,
No,
nothing.
sir. They will ask first about that communication, all signal processing, and then they will go in which area I want to.
So for signal processing, we can say that signal system is the most important topic.
Yes, sir. Signal system is the important topic. All the transform theories and everything.
And in mathematics, did they ask any graph?
No, sir. Calculus they didn't ask. They only asked about probability and linear algebra.
Okay, two topics were there.
Yes,
And
sir.
any question from your BTech project?
Sir, no, they didn't ask about BTech project.
Okay, and about your career, about your future interest?
Yes, sir. First of all, they asked that why did I want to come to MS? What did motivate me? And why only IIT Mandi? Why did I apply here? And so I had to tell that from my that undergraduate years that I was interested in these topics and all, and so MS was an interesting topic. And I they also asked me about other IITs, so I told that I got a call from IIT Madras also, and everything like this.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So, Ritvik, you provided us very good information
Thank
and
you, sir.
it will help a lot of students in future. Okay,
Thank you, sir. Thank
so
you,
I
sir.
wish you all the best. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.